Welcome friends. In this video, we are going to show how to make this low-cost trellis to support the vines of the climbing plants. You can grow most of the vegetables on this trellis. This is cheap but strong and can easily be made at home. Let's get started. We will make the trellis on this plastic container. You will need some bamboo sticks, strong rope, a cutter, a candle and a screwdriver.
First, make 2 holes at each corner of the container like this. Choose 4 strong sticks. The sticks that we have almost 4 feet long. We have made one end of each stick sharp. This will help to insert them in the soil easily. Insert the sticks at each corner. The container should have filled with soil. It will hold the sticks and will make the job easier. Now, bind the sticks with very strong string tightly. Complete the top part as shown. Now complete the mesh with extra rope. It can last more than a year. You can grow multiple vegetables one after another. Use this technique to set the trellis for the containers with cuboid shape. But if you have a pot with cylindrical shape, then you need to follow a different strategy. Follow the link in the description for that. Thanks for being with us till the end. See you in the next video.